So as you can see, these are the states I feed to my neural network. And these are the states I use to feed to my neural network. So as you can see, I removed lots of states. And the reason behind that is, so when I first started this project, like we all want better AI, so do I, but it's pretty impossible and absurd idea to make an AI like a human. So, but I don't know. I was trying to make an AI behaves like an animal, like a cat, and I found I found out that uh, there are two main reasons animals live, and those were to survive and to reproduce. So that's why I made my AI, I mean, environment as survival, like survival simulation, where I have these states he needs to maintain. So I used to kill or terminate each episode whenever his hydration is less than 85%, or whenever organ failure happened. And later I added um, money. So unless he has enough money, he is not able to collect or collide with these objects. And later, and also I was gonna plan. I was planning to assign some tasks where whenever he completes these tasks, he can earn money. So unless he completes these tasks, he can't earn money, which means he can't, survive because, yeah, but I came to a realization that why can't I just assign those tasks without these, survival system? And so we all want better AI and which behaves like a human. So I thought I needed to make my AI like a human, and human has metabolism system, uh, which we need to maintain, like hydration and hunger. So I thought I needed to make my AI able to um, maintain. I need to make my AI that can survive like human, or like these, like try to keep these states. But I thought, but now I think I don't really need to, like, my main goal is make an AI that can able to complete tasks that human can also um, solve, like simple you know puzzle games, or whatever tasks human can do. And to do that, I don't think I need to have these physiology system. So I recently realized that, like a few months ago. So I've been removing these states, also these like year, date, and time. I I want my AI to understand these concepts, but I don't think like these are just normalized values between 0 to 1, and I don't think he would understand these concepts by just giving him as inputs to neural network. I think, yeah, I need to have different method to make him understand these concepts, which I don't really know for now. I mean, yeah, and also the weather. I was plan I was planning to render like snow and rain so that inside the environment it looks like snowing or raining. But also I realized that no matter how good you make your environment, like no matter how realistic your environment is, like the one from GTA, I don't think you can make the like better AI. I don't I think that doesn't matter, so I also removed that. So yeah, and currently I've assigned a task of collecting 10 water, which like we've been doing many times. But I needed to start from simple task because to remove all these tasks and maintain my AI to work like it used to, like getting closer to these objects, I need to remove each step, each state, like step by step, because yeah, like I use this proximity reward function where whenever the hydration is less than 99%, I reward my AI whenever he gets closer to water. But because I remove these hydration and hunger, I need to assign different, I need to use different constraints. And I'm just doing like this for now, where I set an enum to water. So currently, whenever he gets closer to the water, he gets rewarded, but not for other resources. So, but later I would change this so that so later I'm planning to assign a task where he needs to collect resources in order, like water, food, money. And to do that, maybe I need to change this switch statement. For instance, uh, if he hasn't collected the water, all the water, he has to, I have to reward for getting closer to the water. But once he has collected the water, all the water, now I reward my AI for getting closer to the food and so on. And also, yeah, these are other tasks I'm planning to assign: sorting and stacking objects and pushing objects to the goal. So I think I'm going to add a function so that he's able to grab or release the objects, because now the only way he can collect these objects is to collide with them. But once I add the feature of grabbing or releasing, he can grab water and take it to the goal and release at the destination. And this is pretty you know abstract, but I'm planning to assign some kind of puzzles. I mean, these are already somewhat a puzzle, but yeah. So I just wanted to say that I removed many states, and from now on, I'm going to assign various tasks so that he can solve tasks that humans are also able to solve. So yeah, thanks.